Before you make a decision to buy Quip, there are a few things you need to know. Quip positions itself as a strong player in the productivity and time management space, but is it really the best fit for your needs? In this video, I'll walk you through 12 things you should consider before purchasing Quip, comparing it with some of its competitors along the way. First off, Quip offers a great collaborative workspace, combining documents, spreadsheets, and task lists all in one platform. This might sound great, especially compared to alternatives like Google Docs or Microsoft Office, but the real question is it the best choice for your team? While those competitors might have more advanced features, Quip's simplicity and ease of use are definitely its strengths. The second thing to consider is pricing. Quip has a subscription model that starts at a lower price point, which can seem appealing when compared to Microsoft Office 365. However, it does have some hidden costs, especially if you want to use advanced features or larger teams, which might push you into higher pricing tiers. It's worth doing the math on the long-term costs. The third thing is its integration capabilities. Quip integrates well with Salesforce, making it a great option for businesses already using Salesforce for customer relationship management. However, if your company is using other platforms like Slack or Asana, the integrations might not be as seamless, leaving you to look for workarounds. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Quip's interface is minimalist, which makes it less overwhelming than some competitors, like Microsoft Office or Notion, which can feel a bit cluttered with all their features. However, if you're someone who likes a lot of customization options, you might find Quip a little too simple for your liking. The fifth thing you need to know is that Quip allows for real-time collaboration, a feature that is pretty standard in modern productivity tools. But what sets Quip apart is how easy it makes it to leave comments, tags, and inline chat all within the same document. This can really help your team stay on track, but if your team works with larger documents or needs deeper version control, it might fall short compared to more robust platforms like Google Workspace. The sixth thing is Quip's mobile app. While it does have an app for both iOS and Android, it isn't as feature-rich or fluid as some of its competitors. If you're someone who needs to work on the go with full functionality, you may be disappointed compared to what you get with Google Docs or Office 365 apps. The seventh thing you should know is that Quip's search function isn't as advanced as Google Drive's, which can make it harder to find older documents or comments. While Quip does have a search bar, the results aren't as precise as what you get from some of the more established productivity tools. Next thing to consider is its offline capabilities. While Quip does offer offline functionality, it's not as reliable as competitors like Notion or Google Docs. If you need to work offline often, Quip might not be the best choice for you. The ninth thing is collaboration features. Quip is optimized for team collaboration with features like shared documents, task lists, and communication tools embedded within the platform. However, if you need more advanced project management features like Gantt charts or detailed reporting, you might want to consider other tools like Monday.com or Asana. The 10th thing you need to know is that Quip allows for a pretty high level of customization, especially with its templates. While it offers a number of pre-designed templates, there's still room for more flexibility compared to Notion, which offers more in-depth customization options. The 11th thing is security. Quip offers enterprise-level security and encryption, which is great for protecting sensitive data. However, if you're dealing with strict compliance needs, like HIPAA or GDPR, you'll need to make sure that Quip can meet your specific requirements, as it's not necessarily built for highly regulated industries. And the 12th thing is that Quip's support is solid, but not exceptional. If you run into issues or need help, they do offer customer service via chat or email, but the response times can sometimes be slower than competitors like Google or Microsoft, who have more robust support networks in place. Overall, Quip is a great option for businesses looking for a simple, collaborative productivity tool, especially if you're already using Salesforce. But if you're looking for something with more customization options, better offline functionality, or more advanced project management features, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.